Security forces have launched massive searches in Jammu and Kashmir's Samba district after two suspected terrorists attacked an army installation and exchanged fire with army guards. The exchange of fire took place at Ratnu Chowk military station at 2 a.m. last night. One of the suspects was also injured in the crossfire. This comes just a day after the army recovered a huge cache of arms in adjoining Kathua. The whole area bordering Samba district has been cordoned off and a hunt is underway to nab the attackers.
You can see right now that the security has been tightened in and around the military station here in Ratnu Chowk area, and the security has also been beefed up across Jammu region. Remember, yesterday a grenade attack took place near the Jammu bus stand, and after that an alert was also sounded, and India Today has a specific accessed a specific intelligence input. According to that, it's believed that some Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists may try to strike on the eve of New Year in Jammu region, either in Udhampur or in Jammu. And now some suspicious movement has been witnessed here in Ratnu Chowk, and after that security has now been tightened all across Jammu region. The security forces are maintaining a strict vigil here outside the Ratnu Chowk military station. There you can see the gate has been barricaded, and their search operation has also been launched. You can see that is the post of that Santri where who fired at the two terror suspects earlier today, and the terrorists also fired back at the Santri, and after that the security has now been tightened all across Jammu region, and especially New Year is coming, so there is a specific intelligence input that terrorists may try to strike on the eve of New Year, and vital military and security installations are on their hit list. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.
My colleague Sunilji Bhatt in fact joins me live right now from Jammu. Sunilji, what are the kind of specific intel inputs which have been received as a result of which security has been beefed up in the area and the region?
Well, Polami, yesterday India Today received, got access to a specific intelligence input that there is a presence of some Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists here in Jammu region, and they may try to attack military installations located in Jammu region or in Udhampur district. Right now we are exactly outside the military station here in Ratnu Chowk, where in the VRs there was exchange of firing between the terrorists and the Santri who was posted at the gate. After that, high alert has been sounded in and around Ratnu Chowk military station, and security has been tightened. But there is a specific intelligence input that terrorists may try to strike on the eve of New Year, and that is why an alert has also been sounded at the international border and line of control also, and security has been tightened at the international border as well as line of control. Remember, yesterday there was a grenade attack at the Jammu bus stand also, and later in the afternoon this came to light that a huge cache of arms and ammunition was recovered from Kathua district's Bilawar region, and it was believed that the ammunition was going to be used by terrorists to carry out a major strike in Jammu region. So the security forces are maintaining a strict vigil. A search operation has also been launched near the Ratnu Chowk military station. There is the forest area behind this military station, and a massive search operation is on to trace the terror suspects. Polami?
Right. Sunilji, thank you so much for all of those inputs.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.